By far the most important and transformative digital tool in design is computer-aided design, or CAD. CAD has totally changed how designers work, and today is instrumental to distributed design. It's what allows us to form a design, send the data across the world, and materialize that same form somewhere else. There are two bases I want to cover in this video: programs and files. Roughly speaking, there are two broad categories of CAD programs: parametric and surface modeling. Again, broadly speaking, parametric programs like SolidWorks, Creo, and Fusion 360 use parameters and constraints to make 3D models that are flexible. And surface modeling software like Rhino, Blender, and CATIA are used for organic, curved, and complex geometry. There are plenty of online courses available for all kinds of CAD program, but here I'm going to highlight a few programs that are relevant to distributed design and explain why. Onshape is a browser-based parametric CAD software that has a very similar interface to SolidWorks. It's very flexible, easy to work with, and can be edited on any mobile or tablet. But it relies on an internet connection. Fusion 360 is a great entry-level parametric software suitable for makers and students. Blender is a world-famous open-source animation software which is great for surface modeling, but is not particularly used in product design. Inkscape is a 2D vector software which is totally open source and great for laser cutting. Other more mainstream professional programs like SolidWorks, Rhino, Adobe Illustrator, and AutoCAD are also commonly used in distributed design. The beautiful thing about these CAD programs is that they import and export many common file types so that we can communicate and share designs with each other. There are two categories of file type: native and neutral. Native file types are designed specifically for certain programs, whereas neutral file types are more typically used for data exchange. Some of the most important neutral file types for distributed design are step files, OBJ files, STL files, DXF files, and SVG files. There's a lot of complexity when it comes to CAD and CAD file types. Is it 2D or 3D? Parametric or surface? Native or neutral? As you begin to work with digital tools and distributed design, it will become more apparent which programs and file types are relevant to you and your product. But help is at hand with platforms like Wikifactory, which can display over 30 different CAD file types through your browser. It's becoming easier than ever to collaborate digitally, professionally, and distributively using computer-aided design.